I am Dr. Chandrika practicing as an obstetrician and gynaecologist at Chirag Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. I am also a visiting consultant working in Malti Manipal Hospital, Jayanagar 9th block, Apollo Cradle Hospital, Jayanagar 5th block, and also Motherhood Hospital in Banshankari 2nd stage. There are so many hygiene products in the market, and as you know, marketing people and all the companies, they want to do business in whatever things that is available. So what I would tell is, it is not needed for a routine female. There is no need for using any feminine washers, etc. But most of the youths these days, they are after products, they are after some things. So that time they can use, but it is not a must. What I told you is routine cleaning of that part with your lathering that part during your taking bath is enough. There is no need particularly for any wash. Only thing is, our vagina is a place where there is some amount of secretion which is physiological, and this physiological secretion itself will give one sort of immunity and it will protect the female from infections. So we should not do anything which will prevent that physiological secretion. If you prevent that physiological secretion, the immunity will reduce. So only always try to maintain whatever is there, and that is one thing. And so many people shave their private parts. Too much shaving is also not advocated, because nature has provided that cover there to protect the female. So too much of shaving and too much neat, this thing is not at all needed. And even when doing those things, people use so many other chemicals and in order to remove the hair. But these chemicals we have seen can give rise to very bad reactions. So try not to use any chemicals. Best thing would be using an eraser. And that also, if you trim it off, it is better than fully shaving it. So don't irritate that part with anything else. So there is no very important role for feminine products.